Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to talk about brand consistency, what it means and why it's important. Brand consistency is the consistent application of your brand message in line with your brand guidelines, guided by your brand purpose, defined by your brand strategy. An inconsistent brand will mean you'll be unrecognizable, find it hard to stand out, your audience will struggle to trust you, you'll have conflicting messaging, unclear purpose, and your credibility will be compromised. Brand consistency matters because it allows your audience to clearly recognize your brand or business, understand and connect with your messaging. It creates brand loyalty. They'll have trust with your business. It will create brand superiority with your competitors. You can't be consistent if you don't know who you are, what you offer, what you say, who you're for, how you say it, and why you say it. When customers have a choice between similar products or services, consistency will set you apart by creating a high standard from the get-go. Increased brand recognition means you can build a positive perception of your brand or business more frequently over time. This leads to brand loyalty and trust with your audience. With the right consistency and messaging, you can have a positive influence over your customers day, week, month, or year. To create brand consistency, know your message, create your guidelines, and execute your strategy. I hope you found this video useful, interesting. I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.